Kung gusto nyo nang matuto na maging digital marketer, pero wala pa kayong laptop or computer, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Every day, nagpo-post ako ng mga bagong videos na pwede ninyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home as a digital marketing specialist gamit ang computer at internet, or kung cellphone pa lang ang meron kayo. Tignan muna natin. Ang digital marketer, guys, is someone who helps businesses market yung kanilang negosyo or yung kanilang company using the digital space. Yan, pinakang simple yun, ha? Ngayon, kung kayo ay nag-iisip na gusto nyo sanang maging digital marketer, pero wala pa kayong idea kung paano magsisimula, or wala pa kayong computer or laptop, pwede naman. Pag-aaralan nyo lang. Balalaman nyo lang yung mga technical aspect niya. And then, siguro kung meron namang pwedeng gawin na task na gamit is app na pwede mong i-download sa cellphone, kagaya ng Canva, then go for it, diba? Here's a quick guide kung paano nyo gagawin yon, saan kayo pupuntang mga websites, at kung paano nyo i-apply yung mga natututunan ninyo para pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa portfolio.
Start with Google Garage. It's an online platform created by Google to provide free training and resources for various digital marketing skills. Marami silang ino-offer na wide range of courses covering different aspects of digital marketing, including SEO, PPC, social media marketing, and content marketing. Ang kagandahan nito, from Google itself, meron silang comprehensive learning materials na may modules, recorded, lessons na kino-cover lahat ng fundamental concepts and strategies ng digital marketing. Screenshot nyo na lang to para sa link. And then let's move on to the next webpage. Udemy hosts a vast library of digital marketing courses created by instructors with expertise in the field. May free at meron ding paid. At dahil nga isa to sa mga popular platforms ng mga mentors about digital marketing, meron siyang diverse teaching style method. So pwede kang mamili kung sino yung magmamatch dun sa learning style mo. This is a self-paced learning though, so kailangan may disiplina ka. Meron din mga hands-on projects and practical exercises na pwede mong i-apply. Bukod pa doon, they have peer-to-peer interaction. So pwede kang magtanong sa iba. HubSpot naman ay CRM or Customer Relationship Management Platform. Pero, nag-o-offer din sila ng mga courses para yung mga gumagamit ng HubSpot may access sa learning materials at saka resources na makakatulong sa role nila kung ang gagamitin ng client na CRM ay HubSpot. Gaya ng mga nauna kong binanggit na websites, meron ring free online learning material platform si HubSpot at ang tawag nila is HubSpot Academy. Pinakang popular na part ng digital marketing dito ay ang marketing automation. This is really the best place for you to learn marketing automation and digital marketing.
Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!